Hello everyone, I'm Li. Today I will describe the heatsink. The heatsink is a component designed to lower the temperature of one electrical device by dissipating heat into the surrounding air. Though the term heatsink probably isn't what most people think of when they hear the word computer, it should be. Without heatsinks, modern computers couldn't run at the speed they do. Just as your cooldown with the cold bottom of a get rate after a high-impact workout. Heatsinks cool down your computer's processor after it's run multiple programs at once, and without a quantity heatsinks, your computer processor is at risk of overheating, which could destroy your entry system, costing you $100, even $1,000. All modern CPUs require a heatsink. Some also require a fan. A heatsink without a fan is called a passive heatsink. A heatsink with a fan is called an active heatsink. Heatsink is generally made of an aluminum alloy and often have fans. Heatsinks are usually constructed from the copper or aluminum. Copper has a very high thermal conductivity, which means the rate of the heat transfer through the copper heatsinks is also very high. While it's lower than that of copper, aluminum's thermal conductivity is still high, and it has the added benefits of lower cost and lower density, making it a useful application where weight is a major concern. Conduction is a way the heatsink is transferred in a solid, and therefore is the way it is transferred in a heatsink. Conduction occurs when the two objects with different temperatures come into contact with one another. At the point where the two objects meet, the faster moving molecules of the warm object crash into the slower moving molecules of the colder object. When this happens, the faster moving molecules from the warmer objects giving energy to the slower moving molecules, which is turn the heat the colder object. The processor is known as the thermal conductivity, which is how heat sinks transfer heat away from the computer's processor. Finally, heatsinks is like any other products in the always advancing field of computers. Companies are constantly striving to find lighter, more conductive materials to make in fact heatsinks.